from Taj Medics. I've got a Hyundai i10 here on a 2013 plate. Now basically it just came in front of MOT and it's failed MOT on the brake light. As you can see, that one there is quite bright, but the one on the passenger side is reduced. So I'm assuming it's got a wrong bulb in there. So if you let go of the brakes. Right, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So you've got 3 little screws. 1, 2 and 3. And the bulb you need is a 382, a single filament bulb. Now all I'm going to do is first take the screws off. I then remove this one right here as well. I then get that one off. If they are quite tight, just spray some lubricant so they become looser. And all you then do is pull it towards you. So there's 2 little lugs, so 1 and 2. So now you only got 1, sorry, on this one. And this is the bulb we're replacing. You can replace all the other bulbs at the same time if you wanted to, like the indicator, the reverse, the fog light or the tail light. You can all replace that at the same time. You twist that to your left, remove it. All you got to remember is it's a seal. So this seal here needs to be nice. If it isn't, then replace it. Otherwise you get water inside. Like I said, it's got a 380 bulb in there, which is a double filament. So it's a wrong bulb. Now this is going to be a nightmare to take out. So that's it. So all I now do is put the right bulb in there so you can see it's a single filament. I then slot it in through the gap and then twist it to my right. I then put the bulb. I'm not going to screw these up yet. I'll do them last and I'll show you the brake lights. Can you just switch the lights on please now? Brakes. Yeah. Now as you can see, it's a lot brighter now on this one here. And that one there is a lot brighter as well. So that's all you had to do on this particular model. Let go of the brakes please. If there is anything else you need to know, do leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And the bulb you can find in the description where to get it from. We'll have a link in the video as well for you to get the bulb. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.